We're going to take a look at a few of the practice problems from the worksheet you had today. Let's start with number 1. 6 equals a divided by 4 plus 2. I always suggest that we read these out loud. 6 equals a divided by 4 plus 2. The last thing that I read was plus 2, and that's the first thing that I want to undo. Notice that this is a positive 2, so we need to take it away from both sides. So we get 4 equals a divided by 4. Now I said a divided by 4. This sign is division, so the opposite operation of division is multiplication. We need to multiply both sides by 4. So 16 is equal to a. Let's take a look at the second one. It's kind of similar. Negative 6 plus x divided by 4 equals negative 5. I can't do any operations on x before I get x and its coefficient by themselves. So I need to take care of this negative 6 on the left-hand side. That's a negative 6, so I need to add 6 so that it cancels out. And I get x divided by 4 is equal to negative 5 plus 6, which is 1. Now, just like in the last problem, I have x divided by 4. I need to multiply by 4 to get x totally by itself. So x is equal to positive 4. We'll take a look at 2 more together. I'd like to look at number 19. Negative 10 equals 10x minus 90. We need to get the 10 and the x on the right-hand side alone, so I need to take care of this minus 90. We add 90 to both sides so that those cancel out. If I add 90 to the right, I must add it to the left. And I get 80 is equal to 10 times x. 10 times x is a multiplication problem, and we undo multiplication with division. So we're going to divide both sides by 10, and we get that x is equal to 8. Lastly, I want to take a look at number 21. 9 plus 9x equals 9. We want to isolate 9x and get him on the left-hand side by himself. So we need to subtract 9 from both sides. Notice this 9 right here is positive, so I need to subtract 9. That cancels out and leaves 0. I don't have to write 0. I can just bring 9x down. Is equal to, well, look what happened here. 9 minus 9 is 0 as well. So now I have 9 times x is equal to 0. I'm going to divide by 9, and I know that x is equal to 0. Practice a few more of these problems and come to class with some questions about problems you don't understand.